Leadership training for GLTS leaders. Welcome to Global Law Thinkers Society. There will be two training sections, Section A and Section B. Under each section, there are 5 sessions. After you complete Section A, then you will be upgraded to Section B. Under training Section A, there are membership understanding about GLTS, your duties and responsibilities, how to run GLTS in your country, and networking. Let's start our first session, understanding membership. How to be a member. Just go to our website, download the membership form, email to us. Otherwise, for more information, you can contact us on WhatsApp number. Membership fee is 2 categories. Either you donate your skill or work, or you just pay the membership fee. Any skill you have, you can donate, or you just fix a time to work for GLTS growth. Membership fee structure for 2021 is for students $10 monthly, $60 yearly. For others, it is $50 monthly, $400 yearly. Who are unable to pay fee, they must donate skills or time. It is very easy to be a GLTS member. The categories for membership is Star, Power, and Lighthouse. Under Star category, there are GLTS King, Elite, and Pearl. Under Power category, there is GLTS Leaders, Advisors, Mentors, and Goodwill Leader. Under Lighthouse category, there is YCL Youth Campus Leader, GLTS Volunteers, and Interns. There are many GLTS sister concerns. You can take the membership of those sister concerns according to your choice and interest. Just pick what kind of membership you want. GLTS Kings are the donors, partners, sponsor, and well-wishers. Elite members must have to donate membership fee $1,500 at a time and sponsor GLTS projects. And Pearl must have to pay the membership fees, general one, like $50 monthly and $400 yearly. GLTS leaders must have to donate skill and time. Donation is optional. GLTS advisors must have to advise. Donation is optional. Goodwill leaders must have to give time and skill. Donation is optional. GLTS volunteers, they must have to work for GLTS or donate skill, but donation fee is optional. For interns, donation fee is optional, or they can also choose some paid interns. And YCL Youth Campus Leaders must have to donate skill and time. Donation fee is optional.
You should be the GLTS leader. Now know why. Be the part of the largest multi-professional global network. Meet like-minded people internationally. You can connect to any professionals, make friends under one platform, and that is GLTS. You can exchange knowledge, ideas, and culture. Do anything you want with the people. You also can get self and skill development training through our in Youth Empower School. You can get learning and travel opportunity, higher education and scholarship opportunities through our collaborative partners. So many things are just one platform. You also can be a global leader, and we are here to promote you internationally. Your work, your activities, your thoughts, your personal branding, we are going to place you everywhere. And you also get to help your society, people, and the world through social work. You also get opportunity to meet the global business network, and you can create more opportunities for yourself and for other people. We want to empower you. We want you to take the leadership of your life and the world.
Who can be GLTS leader? Who wants to be a change and bring positive change in the world? We invite them to be a GLTS leader to lead their countries or zones or institutes. GLTS train and promote them, their work and positivity, but those must be serve some purposes to help yourself and same time help the world and people. How to be a GLTS leader? Collect the membership from the website. And also, if you are already a GLTS leader approved, you can bring new leaders, give them the membership form, take interviews, finalize them, and inform GLTS Central. The Central Board will select them as GLTS leader. What is meant by donation of skill and time? As a GLTS leader, you must have to donate skill and time. Just find your convenient time that you can give for GLTS and work for it. Plan your activities also. Give time to the leaders and to your network. Meet the people, talk to them and exchange. And as a membership fee, you do not have to pay any membership fee. It is optional for you. Does GLTS pay for your work? GLTS does not pay for your work. It is a voluntary and charitable platform. GLTS empowers you and creates opportunities for you. Use this network and platform for your earning, for your skill, train yourself and your promotion. How to get members for your team and the country? GLTS will provide you a Facebook group. Use this group, invite your friends, family and anyone you know from your country. Ask them to exchange ideas, knowledge, thoughts. This is how initially you can create your network, and slowly you request the members to invite them. Otherwise, you can post recruitment banner and request for the membership. This is where you can bring new members. How you interview new member for your country and community? GLTS membership form, you collect it, give to the interested members, find the applicants who are potential, take interview and request the central team to interview the same member, and GLTS board finalize that member as GLTS leader. What's the tenure of appointment? You can give appointment for 3 months to 1 year based on their activities. And many members also can apply for life membership when they are super active and have future plan. Cancellation of membership. Any GLTS leader who are appointed are inactive and are not functioning and not improving themselves or improving GLTS platform, then the membership can be cancelled. And if any activities that is against GLTS rules and regulation, they also be banned or cancelled in GLTS network. So here we go, what you have to do and how to use the GLTS platform. Be the member, be the GLTS leader, understand your duties and responsibility. GLTS you have to represent everywhere. Join GLTS program, start networking, design and share your activities and start creating more leaders. Good luck and get prepared for the next training.